Hi everybody, it's finally happening, the unboxing video! So I'm gonna unbox it right now. So what I'm doing, I'm planning on going all around the world with it and taking it to the movies with me and everything like that. It took about 6 weeks to get here and I am just so excited for it to be here. And when I finally got it, I was just over the moon. So here it is, I'm opening it now. Look at this, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm opening it. I gotta be a little careful because I don't want to break it straight away. Okay, I'm opening it. It's very heavy. There we go. The box, opening this thingy-majiggy. Opening. It is, I'm so happy it's here. It's been forever and I've been wanting this for God knows how long. Okay, it's in a nice little green little rug thingy. It's very soft. Okay, just gonna put it like that. Careful with it. Okay. Okay, here it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna open it like this. Okay, make sure that isn't there. Oh, look at these! There's got like little spiders, little webs. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so I'm gonna open it like this. Okay, cover that up like that. Okay, so here is the foot. Oh, look at the foot! Oh my god! It's got little hair everywhere. Look at its little feet with the little nails on it. Okay, here's the other one. Looks adorable. Look at them. Okay, I'm opening the body now. Here's the little hands. Look at the little hands. Oh, look how rubbery they are. They're so soft. The little nails. The hair is there. It's here. Oh my god. It's so soft and the silicone's so weird. So, is there a tail? There's a tail. There's a tail right under here. It's adorable. Okay, here's the face. Oh, and it's got a really cute little thingy and a diaper underneath. Okay, here is the face. 3, 2, 1. Pew! Look at him. Oh my god, he's perfect. He's got cute little ears. Look at them. Can you see them? They're right here. Got some on the other one. And look at his little eyes. It looks like he's staring at your soul. He's so perfect. Oh my god. I want to see the little diaper. Okay, opening. Here's the little diaper he's wearing. I'm not sure what size it is. I have no idea. So he has a cloth body. It's like beads inside. I don't know, but it's very heavy. So cute. Look at that little face. He looks like a little. Oh, lift him up. Sorry. So here he is, lifting him up like so. He is so amazing because I saw so many videos on him and he just looked so perfect. People were complaining how small it was, but it's just the right size. Look at you! Oh my god, you're beautiful. Okay, so I'm thinking of naming him Carrot because of the nice ginger hair, or I do like the name Benjamin, but I think Carrot takes the win. So here he is, all here. He's so perfect. There's nothing wrong with him. I love his little head. The detail on him is amazing. I got him from Monsters on the Roof. So if you want to check her out, she's amazing. So here he is. Look at him. Look at the little outfit he's wearing. Monsters on the Roof. He's very heavy though, which I love. Look at him. Oh my god. Okay, bye guys. I hope you loved the video. Like, subscribe. You know what to do. Bye.